Revolutionary drones delivering life-saving cancer medicine to remote areas of northern England. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a revolutionary technology that is changing the way we deliver life-saving cancer medicine to remote areas of northern England. Cancer is a devastating disease that affects millions of people worldwide. In the UK alone, more than 360,000 new cases of cancer are diagnosed every year. While there are many effective treatments available, accessing them can be a challenge, especially for those living in remote areas. That's where drones come in. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles that can be remotely controlled or programmed to fly autonomously. They have been used for various purposes, from delivering packages to conducting surveillance. But now, they are being used to deliver cancer medicine to patients in remote areas of northern England. The drones are equipped with special containers that can keep the medicine at the right temperature and protect it from damage during transport. They are also equipped with GPS and other sensors that allow them to navigate through difficult terrain and adverse weather conditions. The use of drones for medical deliveries is not new, but it is still a relatively new concept in the UK. However, it has already shown promising results. Patients who live in remote areas can now receive their cancer medicine in a timely and efficient manner, without having to travel long distances to the nearest hospital. This technology is not only beneficial for patients but also for healthcare providers. It can help reduce the workload of healthcare professionals and free up resources that can be used for other important tasks. In conclusion, the use of drones for delivering cancer medicine to remote areas of northern England is a game changer. It is a technology that has the potential to save lives and improve the quality of life for many people. We hope that this video has sparked your curiosity and provided you with valuable information. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.